it is? Not 2022. 2020 toned.
2020 toned?
Yeah, baby.
Ladies, can we not? We have a little Trader Joe's haul for you guys. I'm going to be cooking dinner for the roommates tonight, and I'm doing a like chicken stir fry. Okay, I've got everything ready. Let's get cooking. What was that? That was the 2-star thing. You better start racking up those coins, girl. Hello everyone, it's the next day. I am headed to Starbucks for a little work session with Lexi. A lot of you guys already know Lexi helps me with a lot of the content that I make, so we're gonna have a little brainstorm session and a little work session. It's gonna be fantastic. Sometimes it's just so crucial to get out of the house, and today was one of those days. I was feeling a lull. I had a very productive day yesterday, and I think sometimes when I pour so much out of myself in one day, the next day I kind of hit a wall. Does that resonate with any of you guys? So I'm going to drag my ass to the coffee shop. I have a lot of computer work that needs to be done, which is the stuff that I always procrastinate on. I'm so bad at it. Emails, calendar stuff, Google Docs, any of those things, shared albums, like all of that stuff that gets done, I'm always like, oh, I'll do that later. And then I just never do it later. So today's the day, we're making myself do it. I'm also on the verge right now of, do I get a coffee or do I not? I've already had caffeine today, 2, so 3 feels excessive. I've also been trying to watch how much caffeine I allow myself to have, so paying attention to that. It's a beautiful Wednesday, it's blue skies, birds are chirping, kind of feels like spring right now, and I'm not gonna lie, it's making me feel some type of way. I was like, I think I'll have a salad for lunch. I think I'll just drink a ton of water today because it feels warmer outside, and that's what the weather does to me. I'm one of those people that I literally love all the seasons, so the second I'm done with one, I'm like ready for the next. So I'm done with cold and I'm ready for summer. Also, I'm very excited because I haven't been able to play drums for a while. I primarily play drums at a home church that I used to go to back in Orange County, and it's honestly such a drive and so much work because there's like middle of the week practices, and then it's all day Sunday, and it requires a lot of me, and it's not my full-time job, I'm just volunteering, so it requires a lot, so I haven't been able to play as much, and I'm so excited because I auditioned for a church that I go to out here in LA, and I got it. So I'm going to be going to a practice tonight, which is exciting, to just like meet the team and get like the rundown of how things work there. So I'm very excited to be playing more, because I think it's a huge creative outlet for me in my life. So I'm gonna be doing that later today also. I don't think I'm gonna be vlogging, but I'll give you guys an update. I'll let you know how it goes. But yeah, very excited for that. I just pulled up to Starbucks and we're going to just get so productive right now. I'm just getting into the mental state of productivity.
Do you want to do a brighter or bold? I'm going to do a bold. Here you are.
Fantastic, thank you. So I actually wasn't going to vlog today. I had a bunch of computer work and phone calls and meetings today, but I randomly decided, you know what, today feels like the perfect time to vlog. It's actually a lot later than you'd think. I have a double date with some friends of mine tonight, and we were just talking about like, when was the last time that we actually got like really dressed up, like did our hair, makeup, wore heels, like had a cute outfit, and like went out to dinner with each other. And it had been a really long time. So we all decided we're getting dressed up, we're going out to dinner, and I'm excited because I haven't like pieced together an outfit in a while. Also, I feel like with me and my boyfriend for the last like month, all we've been doing is like chilling. So it's been like jeans or sweatpants 90% of the time, and zero heels or fun flirty tops. So I feel like tonight's the night to whip out one of those. Let's see what we're possibly wearing tonight. Not gonna lie, a lot of this was stolen from Alicia's closet. This is a Princess Polly dress. It is the softest, most comfiest and stretchy material. It hugs in all the right places and it looks so good. This is a House of CB top that is so flattering. Very booby, as most House of CB things are, which makes me happy that the sleeves are long. It feels like I'm a little more covered up. I had paired this with this skirt. It felt very like casual 90s girl with this skirt. So then I stepped it up with this leather skirt, which made it feel a little more clubby. So I wasn't really into that. So we're exiting that, still holding on to the dress. And then we have these two leather pants that I love a lot, and this bustier from House of CB again. It's kind of hard to tell, but this bustier is a beautiful color brown. It's thick material and just very flattering. And I would be pairing either of these outfits with this little Louis bag and brown heels. I haven't fully decided which way I'm going. I'm kind of leaning with the pants because it's still January and it's cold. However, it was 80 degrees today, and I checked the weather and it says it's only supposed to be like in the 60s tonight. So I feel like I would be okay in a dress, but I'm thinking I should probably go leather pants just to be on the safe side. I would rather not be freezing. So I already did my hair. I ended up going to Dry Bar. I haven't used Dry Bar for like 2 years and then kind of re-fell in love with them. I went again for the first time in December and forgot how nice it is to get your hair done. This is the Mai Tai that they do, but I asked for extra volume because my hair is just the most straight and I'm really happy with it. It looks really good. So all I have to do now is makeup. Okay, first things first, we're going to just pin back the bangs a little bit, just so they're out of the way. There we go. I've been trying some new products and I'm excited to share them with you guys. I feel like I haven't changed up the product situation in a while, so it's kind of a big deal. This is the Shape Tape Cloud Coverage. I love their concealer. I don't wear their concealer on an everyday basis, but when I want like a more full coverage look, their stuff is phenomenal and I have been obsessed with their foundation. Also, I got the Fenty Beauty Ease Drops Blurring Skin Tint. Guys, This is so nice. I'm obsessed with it. Basically what I've been doing is a little bit of both, and that's been giving me my perfect color lately. I do have a little bit of self-tanner on my body, so this is actually probably too dark if I were to just wear this. That's why I have the Shape Tape foundation also. We're just gonna blend this baby in. Again, like I said, I don't normally wear concealer, but for a special night out, sure. I don't know if anyone else does this, but I love to let it kind of set for a little bit. I think it works a lot better when it's a little drier, just like not dry, but like a little stickier, a little tackier, if you will. I tend to smile very harshly, and because of this, my makeup will crease like dramatically. And I swear it makes me look like older, tired. It makes me look like I have a ton of wrinkles under my eyes when I don't. So that's why I typically tend to refrain from wearing a ton of concealer, just because it's too much. It's just way too much. But it looks so good when it's done right, you know? Okay, I'm going in with my Milk Makeup bronzing stick. I'm still really obsessed with this. Alicia got me hooked on this. I know that some people love a lot of contour. I don't, mostly because I feel like I'm just not good at it. So just the more natural, the better. Maybe one day I'll get a little more confident in my contour skills, but until then, this is what we do. Something else dramatic that has happened. I was using the Bare Minerals bronzer for a long time. This is their blush bronzer mix thing, and I've been using this for probably the past year. What I used to use before is the Kat Von D blush, and we're back, folks. It's funny how like you stray away from something and then come back to it and you're like, why did I ever leave? This blush is phenomenal. This is the Foxglove blush, and I'm obsessed with it. I just kind of take a little bit and put it over the top of where I put my contour. Right now I am a little more paler, and I think it just makes blush pop so much more when my skin's a little fairer. I've been going a little heavy on the blush and then blending it out, and I've been really happy with it. That's all I'm gonna say. I feel like the blush looks a lot stronger on camera than it does in person, so don't panic for me, I'm okay. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of loose translucent powder just in my under eye area, around my nose and the center of my forehead. One thing that is my tried and true that I can't get away from for the life of me whenever I'm going out at night is my Naked Urban Decay Basics palette. This is my tried and true. It's never gonna change, ever. Do I need a new one? Yes, but here we are using the same. This is, I usually go in with Primal, and I just keep her right in my crease. And I will layer this bad boy on until I find like the perfect shade of darkness around my eyes. I love a smoky eye when going out. It is imperative in my opinion. I'm not exaggerating. I feel like I could sit here and blend this out for hours. I'm gonna go in with a flat brush and just kind of add some of this more pale color. This is called Skimp. Just to my lid, just to add a little bit of definition, especially if you add it in like the tear duct area. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looks so good. Everyone laughs when I say this, but one of my go-to tricks for nice looking eyes and eye makeup are eye drops. I can give you a little before. It's probably hard to see, but my eyes are just a little, you know, not super bright. There's a little bit of bloodshot to it. So I'm just gonna add a drop to each, and I'll show you the difference after. Guys, look at the difference. This is wild, I'm telling you. My eyes are wider, crisper, clearer. These are just Lumify drops. I get them from Amazon all the time just because I have bad allergies, and whenever they hit, my eyes are the first to get red and itchy. So those I keep with me pretty much at all times. I have one in my bag all the time, and they make the biggest difference with makeup, I'm telling you. Okay, last couple touches. I have really been doing a lot less with my brows because I went back to getting them tinted. which is just dyeing your eyebrow hairs, which is phenomenal for me. Mine are blonde and just so hard to see. So I've just usually been using gel and brushing them up, but because tonight is, you know, a fun night, I'm going to just kind of color in some of my like sparse spots, just a little bit. It's mostly this brow. You know how everyone has like one brow that's just worse than all the rest? By all the rest, I mean the other one. Yeah, mine's my left one for sure. A little trick I've been doing, because I love like a natural looking brow, is only doing the bottom. I just kind of want to outline it, if that makes sense. I'm going to be going in with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter Gel. This has been my jam lately. I have tried lots of gels in the past. This one seems to work the best for me. What I tend to do is take the flat part of the brush and just kind of press it against the skin to make sure that I have plenty of product. I do feel like the brush itself doesn't put on enough product, so I really like glob it on and then brush it through. And there's my brows. Last and final thing is my mascara. This is the Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara. I'm pretty sure I've tried all of Benefit's mascaras. I haven't found one that I hate. I'm really just looking for a little bit of length and a lot of volume. There you go. That is the finished face makeup. I'm just gonna, oh, yes. And then for lips, what I've been doing lately has been, again, just a little more simple than normal. I've been taking a lip liner and more of like a nudie gloss. Best thing I ever did. This is the KKW Beauty lip liner, excuse the dogs, in Nude 0.5. And I'm just gonna very gently outline my lips. Do the same up here. It's so simple, but it basically just adds dimension to your lips. I love like smudging it out a little bit. I always go in with a little bit of chapstick because I feel like whenever I wear like any lipstick or liner, my lips get chapped. I don't know what it is. It's probably nothing, but I swear. And then we're going over the top of that with Bare Minerals Lip Gloss Balm in the color Serenity. Okay guys, this is the finished look. The top is very booby, so I do apologize. But I'm gonna give you the finished look. Ladies, quiet on set, please. Excuse the girls, but here is the finished look. These are leather pants by Good American. This is the House of CB top that is very booby, and I will probably be pulling it up all night long. These shoes are from Dolce Vita. They're some of my go-tos. And then this is my little Louis bag that is currently empty, but I will be filling up right now. Yeah, I think post-COVID, it is hard sometimes to remember that it's good for you to go out and have fun with your friends and get dinner and get dressed up. And I forget how good I feel when I like do my hair and take time to pick out an outfit. And I'm really excited for tonight. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'll see you guys in the next vlog, which will be coming soon. Okay, bye.